Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the license type because the transfer method depends on it. Retail is transferable, OEM usually is not. Next, make a full disk image with imaging software. This preserves activation data and system state. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account to link the license, if possible, and note the product key or digital license status. Make sure the SSD is connected via SATA or USB adapter, and prepare a Windows Recovery USB so you can restore or repair if needed. Decide whether to clone the existing drive or perform a clean install using the linked Microsoft account. Cloning preserves apps and settings, while clean install gives a fresh system. If cloning, select a tool that supports SSD alignment and copy UEFI/GPT partitions. This ensures performance and bootability. After cloning or installing, make sure to disconnect the old drive before the first boot to prevent duplicate hardware activation issues. Finally, boot into BIOS or UEFI. Once your system boots from the SSD, go to Settings, then Activation to confirm Windows is activated. If not, use the Activation Troubleshooter or run slmgr. VBS commands for manual rearm and reactivation. Make sure to install SSD firmware updates, enable trim to maintain performance, and update storage drivers. Run a quick disk health check and test boot times. If activation fails, remember one key troubleshooting tip. Sign into the same Microsoft account that held the digital license, then run the activation troubleshooter to transfer the license to this device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.